Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Wizartist. In this video, I will explain you how to make your own Gmail account. So let's start. First, you have to open Gmail. When you open Gmail, you'll get a screen somewhat like this. Click on the profile picture on the top right. So when you get this screen, you have to click on the profile picture, which is on the top right. But if you have not made any account or signed in with any account in Gmail, you'll get a little different screen. I'll show that later. So when you click on the profile picture, you'll get a pop-up window. So a pop-up window like this will open. Okay. You have to click on add another account. So you'll have an add another account option. So you have to click on that. The sign-in page will open. So this page will open when you click on add another account. Or if you have not signed in with any Gmail account previously, then Gmail will automatically show you this. Okay, so you don't need to click on the profile picture. You'll automatically come here. But if you have already signed in with another account and you want to create a new one, so you have to follow the procedure I have told you before. Now let's move ahead. Click on create account. So there is create account below, as you can see. Yes, so you have to click on that. So you have to click on this create account. Next, select for myself. So when you click on this, you'll get small pop-up, and in that you have to select for myself if you're making it for yourself, not for business purpose. Or you can click to manage my business, but it will have a little different procedures, but I am discussing in this video for myself. Details page opens. So this page will open. This page will open. Enter the details. Now you'll have to enter the details. You'll enter the first name here, then the last name, then you have what Gmail address you want. Okay, you must know the Gmail address, first name dot last name or first name last name @gmail.com or whatever you want it to be. Then you have to write the password, and here you have to confirm the password. If username is available, then change it. So if the username or the Gmail address is already available, then it will show you that username is taken, try another, and then it will show available, which are available. So you cannot use that username. So you'll have to try changing it a few times until and unless it accepts it. Now, let's come to the password. Include password with alphabets, numbers, and symbols, and length should be at least 8 characters. So the length of your password should be at least 8 characters, and it should be a combination of alphabets, numbers, and symbols. Okay. Click on next once entered everything. So now, once you have entered everything, you have to click on next, and you're not getting anything wrong also. Okay, your first name and last name, your username is not taken, and your password is perfect. Okay, it's like a combination of alphabet symbols, and it's a strong password. And click on next. Save password and username. So when you will click on next, you will get a pop-up at the top that's save password. Sometimes you might not get it, so don't worry, it's not a big deal. Then so here will be your username, password, and then save it. Click on save, just in case if you forget it, next time you can use it. Enter your phone number. So when you click on next, you will get this page. First of all, you need to save. Then you'll get this page. So you can click on verify your phone number. So you have to type your phone number over here, and you can select your country over front here. Okay, so you don't need to enter the country code while entering the phone number. You can just select the country. Then if it says number has been used too many times, try another number. So sometimes what happens that when you type in the phone number, it gives you a message that the number has been used too many times. Try another number. So type another number. You might have multiple numbers, so try using another one. Okay, then when you will click on next, so you'll get this page, verify your phone number. So then you will have to enter the verification code, which is sent messaged on that number. Click on verify. Once you have entered the verification code, click on verify. Fill in the details and then click on next. So if the G code is right, then it will ask you to fill in some details it wants. But if it is wrong, it will resend the G code to you and you will have to try again. Okay. So now this here, enter the phone number, but this is optional. Recovery email is also optional, but month, day, and year is not optional. Neither is gender, okay? So you have to enter the details. Now remember that if you are 18 years old or above, then only Google will accept your age. Otherwise, it will means you will have to be under a parent account. If you're a young kid who means below 18 years of age, then you have to be under a parent account, okay? You cannot be an independent account. So that has a little different procedure, but now I'm not focusing on that. Let's just focus on normal email account. Then click on next. Okay, when you click on next, you will get this page. So read whatever is written over here and you can click on more options for other details and then you can click yes, I'm in if you do agree. Otherwise, you can click on skip. This is completely your choice. I'm not forcing you to do anything. Now on the next page, you will get the terms and conditions. So read the terms and condition and then click on I agree, okay? If you agree, now I'm not forcing you to click on it, but if you agree, then click on I agree. Your account successfully made. Now your account will be successfully made. And once you click on I agree or for that terms and condition, you'll get the inbox of your new account. So your account is successfully made. Thank you. Hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.